What the f is that? I mean, that's your job to impeach the guy, right? I mean,
dude, you can't split lanes here.
Well, that's what's going on. I'm saying we don't do it. We have political. We're like 40% of the people want to be 8% of the Democrats, but that's still not a majority. And she's worried that impeaching him will make him more powerful because you're never going to convict him.
Right.
So then he's going to be a martyr like Clinton was. I don't know if that's true anymore. I've had a shift in my thinking about this. I think.
Idiot! God damn idiot!
Is a winning strategy. Had time, I'm now declaring this case mistrial. The jury cannot reach a unanimous verdict.
That's because you're.
Even though, Doug, you're.
We're gonna miss the light. Or maybe not. Yay!
Oh my god!
Oh,
I can't believe we missed that. Oh my god, you're an idiot. Stupid.
Jesus Christ, idiot!
So do you.
Yeah, keep videoing.
Yeah, you got a baby in the car. You're a disgrace, bro.
Good question to me. Why you got a baby on your car? Worry about your children, you hoe.
Then take care of your kids. I'm going this direction, you paranoid.
Where?
Yeah. Why you smoking with your baby in the car? Why you smoking with the baby in the car?
Question nothing.
You're a bad father, bro.
That's what you're worried about?
You're a bad father.
You're worried about that?
Yep, you're a bad father.
Yeah. Worried about the smoking crack?
Cool, because you're being a f***ing dumbass.
Continue to ride my ass?
You cut me off.
You were trying to cut me off. You saw me with my blinker on and you wanted to let me over.
You went into the carpool lane for no reason. Are you even carpooling?
Are you going to continue getting on a woman's ass?
Are you not equal than me?
I don't play that shit.
So you're less than me. So I need to... Okay. So you're less than me. So you're less than me is what you're saying.
No, I'm saying that you're a man. If you wanted to hurt me, potentially, you probably could.
Well, then what the f*** are you doing?
Threatening me?
How am I threatening you? How am I threatening you?
Do you feel good?
How am I threatening you?
My ass. That's threatening, like,
You cut me off. You put your ass in my f***ing nose. I didn't ride your ass. You went right in front of my f***ing bumper.
You sped up like you saw me trying to get...
No, I didn't speed up. I was maintaining my speed. You were going all f***ing crazy. I got you on my dash cam. Whatever.
On the Southern State eastbound approaching the Meadowbrook, there is an accident. Truck is bumper to bumper, barely moving back to exit 17 right now. Over on the Northern State, we are delayed sporadically between 36 and 34. It's not a stop-and-go trip. LIRR is doing excellent. We've really got no big problems to tell you about. Let's check and see how we are doing in the Bronx. We had earlier problems with the Bronx River Parkway that have thinned out now, and the New England Thruway is... River Drive is jammed. 143rd Street, pretty much.
We get very isolated showers around this afternoon. That'll be mainly north of the city around sun and clouds and cool gusty wind. Still feeling a lot better than yesterday. I 74 tonight. Pizza that will both give you the munchies and that will get you high. A pizza pot pie, if you will, from Chris, the pizza pusher Barrett of Stoned Ground Pizza in Bensonhurst, who infuses his pizza with
Look at some of the work that's being done to understand and improve that often overlooked aspect of traveling to the stars, astronauts' mental health. But first, pulling the plug on a
Transfusions of the blood of a younger, physically fit donor can significantly retard the aging process. And Bryce is a picture of health. It's like a Nazi propaganda poster.
on the HBO comedy series Silicon Valley anti